Basically, the operation started off as early as 8 this morning.
Yes.
When the VDs, upon which voting exercise was going to be taking place, were identified. We have had about 6 wards that were in contestation. Upon the visiting of the voting stations, people were calm, people were excited. People came up in numbers in favor of the MK, and we are convinced that they will do or they would have done what is right for Umkhonto weSizwe. We have no doubt in the mind that we will come out victorious on these elections. Remember, what informed the breakdown of the municipalities could have been that there's been rogue issues that were raised quite strongly by the community, which led to issues of corruption and the breakdown of the municipalities. Hence, the rebirth of the configuration of the voting process. We were pleased that people were calm. We were pleased that people were disciplined. We were also equally pleased that high visibility of marshals and monitors were always present from the outset right up to the evening. Therefore, we anticipate that the outcome of the results will favor us as the MK party will come out victorious. People are still confident that we have done justice. We have done what would have been expected by our constituency, and we are going to stick to that principle.
Just your brief assessment of the IEC officials in all wards and voting stations.
Well, the only difference is that these IEC officials that were present today are very junior, but they seemed to have done better than those that sit at the provincial level and even those that sit at national level. Therefore, it would raise up public eyebrows to say, what is happening? Is it an issue of incompetence? Is it a deliberate cause because they take instructions from elsewhere? But our view, or my assessment, is that the IEC has lost its mandate. They have lost the gist of their existence. People are no longer trusting them at all. Hence today, we don't know whether they are going to continue from where the other leadership of the IEC stopped, in rigging, and in stealing votes. We will do our best to monitor and manage those circumstances. But yes, with the IEC, we have